Hello. Welcome to another video. In this video, I'd like to talk about something like personal that happened to me on Preply and why you will understand. I will explain everything. So like a few months ago, I decided to take a month off Preply for personal reason, and I was supposed to stop teaching, but I had to restart to teaching for some reason. Anyways, that's not the point. And when I restarted, so I've got no student anymore. All my old student, even if I message them, they say, "Oh, we found a new teacher," which is fair, no problem. That's normal. I told them I was like, no, not a teacher anymore. Then I came back to teaching, and that's it. So I have to restart from scratch basically. Fortunately for me, I'm an established teacher because I already have an account, so I've got reviews, I've got some lesson taught, which is not a problem, which is great. But I have to restart. So I put my availability, I put a kind of high price at first. Like my rate was really high. I think I started with $22. And so for a week, I didn't have any student, nothing. I was waiting. I said, oh, what I'm going to do, what a mistake I made. And finally, someone booked, and like my journey restart. So I have to think about the new strategy. So I went on a community, I asked on forums, and I asked people, what should I do? I'm quite confident. I like to do things my way. So I decided simply, of course, I've got some saving. It's not like I'm dying, but and I'm working on other platforms as well. So I think Preply those days is the best platform for teachers because they do a lot of marketing and they can find you a lot of student, which is brilliant. And even now they have like already a lot of big amount of teachers, which is can be the competition very high. But this is the online world anyway. Everybody want to do it. They want to enjoy the freedom as a teacher. But anyway, so my new strategy, what I do now, and it's very easy. So I told myself, okay, I want to teach like 25 hours per week. That is my goal. So it's simple. If like I start with $22, so every Sunday I change my rate. I start 22. So the first week I have like a one student. So the week after I put 21. Then I start to have few students, then 20, few student. You get the idea, right? So I went down to $17, and I have like whoop, my 25 hours. As soon as I have my 25, I start to increase every week. So I went to 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, and I'm back to 22 right now. That's why I'm making this video, because it took me, as you can see, like few months, but now I'm back to 22 with a regular student, which is brilliant. And it wasn't easy. You have to take your time. That's how it works those days. But I really think that Preply is a great platform, and I'm very grateful. So if you decide to take a holiday, or if you take time off from the platform and you come back, that's something that you can do, and I invite you to do that. I think that's the best strategy I can do. Just increase or decrease $1 according to the number of hours that you want to teach per week. So set up a number and then just follow the guideline. So if you have like 25 or plus, boop, you increase. If you have 25 or less, boop, you decrease. Okay, so you get the idea. That's what I do. I don't know if it's the most efficient things, but it works for me. Very happy with that. So of course I have a student that I'm gonna have at 17 for a long time, but no problem. They help me to grow, and I still I have a decent salary by doing that, and I'm very happy with that. And it's good for the statistics, and it's good for have a stable income, which is the most important as an online teacher. So I hope you enjoyed the video. It was a very short one, a very important one also. I wish you to have a great day, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.